Hello, my dear kids. Hope you all are fine at your home. So, today we are going to start a revision video on letter writing. So, the person who have already watched the video letter writing would be more beneficial than the person who is watching this for the first time. So, here we will come to know that what is letter, what are the types of letter, and what is the format to write this letter. So first and foremost, we need to know that what are the types of letter. So there are two types of letter, one is informal and the other one is formal. By giving an example, I'll make you remind that what is the difference between this informal and formal. My dear student, if I say you that tomorrow come to school in your informal dress, that means you are not going to wear the school uniform, right? That means you will come in any kind of dress you like. So it is considered to be the informal way of dressing, right? That means in that case, if I talk about informal letter, that means writing a letter to your parents, to your friends, to your relatives, right? In an informal way. Whereas if I say you, my dear kids, wear formal dress and come to the school. That means we have a dressing code. We have some set of rules to come inside the premises, right? That means we follow certain rules and regulation. In that case, I'll say you that it's an formal way of dressing. That means letter written. That means letter written to the higher authority or higher official member. That means we follow certain rules and regulation. There we cannot talk rubbish thing, or there we cannot write anything we like. That is the reason it is given as formal letter and informal letter. So now moving to the topic of your book, it's a humble request to all of you. Please open your grammar book, page number 250, and try to read out the definition of letter, the types of letter, and what are the parts of a letter. So I'll repeat the same line once again for you all, that letter writing means it's a record to convey our message to someone special or to an higher authority. As I told you, so to someone special or to an higher authority. So that is called formal letter. Now it's a humble request to all of you, please open page number 250 of your grammar book, topic letter writing. Let us read the first definition, that what exactly letter is. So letters are written to convey a message or certain information to a person, right? It is again divided into two parts, that is formal and informal, which I gave you a best example of your school uniform, right? If you are wearing informal dress and coming to the school, that means you can write anything to anyone, to your relatives and to your friends. Whereas if I say you, my dear kids, wear uniform and come to the school, that means you need to follow the rules and regulation to maintain the decorum. So in that case, formal letter means to be written to a higher official or to a higher authority or a respected person. So this is all about the difference between informal and formal letter. Now let us see what is this parts of letter. Now let us see what is this parts of a letter. First of all, my dear student, remember in your mind that always write the letter from the left hand side of the paper. Don't write starting from the left hand side then ending with the right hand side corner of the paper. No, it's not the systematic way of writing letter in an update version. Everything should be in a proper order, and that to be it should begin from the left hand side of the paper. So you can see here the green box, parts of a letter. First and foremost thing you need to do is you need to write the writer's address to whom you are writing the letter, and secondly you need to write the sender's address or your address. So here we will see that the writer's address is written in the top left hand corner of the page, right? And after that you need to write the salutation, okay? Like my dear father or my dear friend. if it is an informal letter. Whereas if it is a person to a respectable person, then you need to write the salutation as respected sir or respected madam. And then you need to leave a line and you need to start the body. Body means to write the message what you are going to convey to the reader. Okay, and the fourth one will be the subscription. Subscription means at the end we used to write your sincerely, your affectionately, your obediently in formal letter, whereas we write in informal yours lovingly, right? So in this way you need to follow certain rules and regulation to write this format of letters. Now the most important thing is, before we used to write yours by putting an apostrophe s, but now in update version it's wrong. We cannot write or we cannot put an apostrophe s. You need to write yours. That means s should be connected to the r. There won't be any apostrophe. Just keep in mind whenever you write this word. So at the last you need to write your or put your signature after the subscription. So in this way you need to read it thoroughly, the parts of a letter, definition of a letter, types of letter, and know exactly that what is. So in this way you need to know what exactly informal and what is formal letter. So hope the topic is clear to you. If you still face any problem, please call me and I'll be happy to clarify your doubts. Till then, have a nice day and please turn your pages and try to read one of the example of informal letter and one example of formal letter and try to learn thoroughly that what is the order or steps to be followed. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.